Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Coinbase account to TradingView. If you've ever wanted to bring together TradingView's powerful charting tools with your Coinbase account, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to link up these platforms seamlessly and start trading directly through TradingView, saving you time and opening up a world of useful features. Let's dive right in. First, let's start at the very beginning. Open up TradingView. You want to make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the platform's features. If you're unfamiliar with TradingView, think of it as the epicenter for visualizing market data, testing out strategies, and keeping track of your favorite assets. Once you're in, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, look towards the menu at the top of the page and click on Products. This menu lists all the major features TradingView offers. By selecting Products, you're getting the full scope of what's available. Don't worry if you've never used this section before, it's pretty straightforward and you won't break anything by exploring. From here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the menu where you'll spot something called the Trading Panel. Go ahead and click on that. The Trading Panel is essentially the bridge between TradingView's charts and real brokerage accounts, so you can execute trades straight from your charts instead of toggling between different websites. Once you're in the Trading Panel area, you'll see a section labeled All Brokers. This is really handy because TradingView supports connections to a growing list of different brokers. Click on that All Brokers button to display every option TradingView currently supports. Don't be surprised if you see quite a few names here. It's like walking into an international airport and seeing all the destination boards. Now you'll need to find Coinbase in this list. You can either scroll through until you spot the Coinbase logo, or you can make things quicker by typing Coinbase into the search bar at the top. Searching is usually a little faster, especially if you're dealing with a long list of options, so feel free to do whichever you're most comfortable with. Once you've found Coinbase, click on the Connect button right next to it. This is the crucial step. It tells TradingView that you want to link up your Coinbase account, so all your trades and account data can sync. If you're new to connecting accounts like this, think of it like pairing your phone with your headphones. You're making two platforms talk to each other so you can get the best experience. Now, TradingView will prompt you to log into your Coinbase account. You'll need your login credentials here, so have them ready. The whole process is secure, and you should see the familiar Coinbase login page. Enter your information, follow the on-screen prompts, and after a moment or two, your accounts should be connected. If the page seems to hang for a second, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a bit for the connection to finalize, and that's really it. Your Coinbase account is now linked to TradingView. You're ready to start analyzing, trading, and taking advantage of the combined power of both platforms. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, or if there's another integration you want help with. Of course, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.